Hey guys, so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna move the chrysalis from the container that was hanging at the top of the lid, and we're gonna move it into the butterfly house. So we'll check back in a few days and hopefully we will have butterflies. Alright guys, now that I gave you the update on our butterflies, I now want to show you the activity that we'll be doing today. Hopefully you guys have some sort of paper. I have blue paper as well as white, and the activity today is we're going to be making paper airplanes. There's a few different ways that you can make them. I'm going to show you one way, but online there's plenty of different ways you can make them. At the end though, what I want you guys to do is I actually want you to try to fly them, and I want to see if you can beat the length that my paper airplane goes. So like I mentioned guys, all you'll need for the activity today is paper, and then if you'd like to kind of design it and make it your own, you're more than welcome to, with markers, kind of either write your name or do different designs on it just to make it unique to you. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record kind of from behind me, and that way you guys can see each step that I do to make our paper airplanes. I'll do a slow step-by-step, and then also I'll do a sped-up version. That way you guys can kind of see the whole process in a short amount of time. Now that we have built our paper airplanes, let's go outside and fly them and see how far we can get them to go. What I'm going to do is I have two towels just for markers. I'm going to start one at the starting line, and I'm going to put this one at the finish line. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to throw my paper airplane all the way to the finish line. Do you guys think I can do it?